Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on Advanced ANSYS Workbench tutorials. In this session, we will analyze the Y-shaped pipe for its thermal analysis. We will start by double-clicking on Steady State Thermal module. We'll first go to Engineering Data and double-click. Engineering Data Sources, General Materials. I'll choose stainless steel as one of the material. I'll click on Engineering Data Sources. And here I'll give one more material, which is HDPE, which is high density polyethylene. This is another material for pipe. So I'll go to isotropic thermal conductivity and double click. Unit I'll change to watt per meter Kelvin and this value is 0.51. Next I'll go to project and update project. I'll go to geometry and right click and import the geometry. I'll now go to model and double click. I'll go to first geometry solid. I'll change the material to stainless steel. I'll go to mesh. I'll use the default sizing and generate. Next, I'll go to steady state thermal. Right click, insert temperature on the inner surfaces. Apply. I'll give this temperature as 55 degrees Celsius. Again, I'll right click and insert convection on the outer surfaces. Apply. Film coefficient is say 10 watt per meter square degree Celsius. Ambient temperature is 25. I'll go to solution, right click, insert thermal temperature. Again, I'll right click, insert thermal total heat flux. I'll go to solution and solve. Let's see the temperature. We'll go to edges, select no wireframe, contours. I'll select smooth contours. So now you can see here the highest temperature inside is 55.001 degrees Celsius and the minimum is 54.95 degrees Celsius. If you click on max min, you can see where the temperature is maximum and where it is minimum. For the rest of the places, you can click on probe and you can run the probe over the surface. You can see the temperature. Next, I'll go to total heat flux. Value is 460.27 watt per meter square, which is the highest value. Lowest value is 175.63 watt per meter square. You can click on max min again and see the points where it is highest and lowest. Again, I'll go to solid and change the material to HDPE. I'll go to solution and solve once again. We'll go to temperature again. So now you can see the highest is 55.017 inside and outside somewhere you'll see it is 53.6 degrees Celsius. Next I'll go to total heat flux. You can see the highest value is 450.82. You can see where it is maximum, which is here. You can see it is red in color. And then minimum value is over here. If you can check, you can see here it is bluish in color. Minimum value is 173.57 watt per meter square. So that's how you can see where the value is maximum and minimum over this Y-shaped pipe. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood the analysis. If you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.